Alright, so this is going to be a long one. You guys don't like long ones. Pop off. Sorry. 2019 Ford Escape with a 2.5. P0103. Mass airflow sensor circuit high. So everybody can see, I got my maintainer on there. I got the cowl apart because he's got a wiper problem. Completely separate issue. But we are tagged in to our power feed. To be our 12 volt supply unplugged for our mass airflow. As everybody can see, that doesn't look good. I go down here, I wiggle some harnesses, we start doing some crazy stuff, as we can see. I'm doing wiggly way down there. Okay, so we come over here to the diagram, and as we can see, here's our math. We come back over. Fuse 33, 10 amp. We check that. We do one better. Let's look at one of the things that everybody has in common that's really easy to get to. We look at this purge valve, right? Let's just go take a peek at the purge. Here's my test light on the same green. I'm not pushing it in there. Same green wire, and as we all saw, she lights up. We all can determine, in the sense where are we? Over here at the purge valve, right? That our break, or our corrosion, I would say, is right there for that mass airflow. So let's take a little ride, and I will show everybody the process how I find it. Test light works, the battery positive, because I know everybody's going to say, well, you didn't load check that wire. All right, test light's on it, steady. If I can keep it on there. Test light's on there. As you can see, we pull down to nothing. All right, we're doing our visual underneath. That's probably not good right there. But underneath here, if it'll focus. If everybody can see, can you just see the green pus right here flying out underneath my fingernails? So let's get this off of here, tear this open, and see what we see. We cut our zip tie off of there. Keep getting you guys in the way of the view. I see green crusties. I feel like I'm gonna have a money shot coming pretty soon. Right, as we can see with my meter over here, we're still broke. But I got that open. Who's ready for the money shot? I can feel it coming. Who's ready for it? Oh! And now we're open. But as we can see, looks like I got some can wires up in here. They look pretty nasty. Missing some coating. I don't know if that's a sheathing wire or whatnot, but we're gonna have to dig into this a little bit further, so everybody can see. There's some crusties coming out of there pretty good. And it's pretty nasty. So we'll have to dig into there a little bit further to feel that wire. Alright, and I know I'm going to catch some heat for this one, but yeah, heat shrink butt connector. But there's our voltage. Now let's double check and see if we can carry a load. All I'm going to do here is take my negative and my positive and hook them up to my test lights so we don't have to put the car back on. And as everybody can see, we're still connected like we were before. Here is your load. Granted, it's only a test light, 250 milliamps, but at the same time, could not carry a load before. And again, with our lead back on our meter. It appears all this right here that is coming off is just the sheathing they used on these can wires here. So we will shrink this down, tape all this back up, make sure there's no other wires that are damaged, pull our zip tie out, put it back in there, put the harness back up, and then we definitely have to get into here and figure out what we're going to do about that, because that was the cause of our problem right there, and there was our effect. Alright, here's our finished product, all zip tied back up. Alright, good to go. Wasn't even there. So there's the diag for everybody and the fix, as you can see. And yes, I promised I will fix whatever is in the wheel well floating around in there, and then, obviously put everything back the way I found it. Stay cool, everybody.